Hi, my name is Hide, a teacher from Speak Online. In this video, I'm gonna show you some examples, very easy ones, in order to let you understand how to use properly the quantifiers many, much, and a lot, or a lot of. With all that being said, let's jump into it.
How many of you have done the homework?
So what can we say about many? Well, first of all, make sure that the noun that it's being quantified by many, it's an uncountable noun. 1 student, 2 students, 3 students, and so on. Also, you might use it for affirmative sentences, interrogative, and also negative ones. Oh wow, those are cool. How much is that? 1 second, sir. So this one's right here, sir. It's at $20. 10 and 10. What? That's too much. For match, I mean, it's quite formal actually. So the main difference is no, you cannot use it for countable nouns. This time for the uncountable nouns. I cannot say 1 money, 2 monies, 3 monies, no way. Yeah, so this is the very and the most important point. Also, you might use it for interrogative and also negative forms. What about a lot of, or a lots? Well, this one you might use it for friendly and informal situations. It doesn't matter. Countable, uncountable, you can use it in both cases. Yeah? 2 sanitizers. That's a lot. 5 kilograms. That's a lot. 1.5 kilograms. I'm not lying. That's a lot. How much water do we need to drink? Do you know how much water? That's a lot. That's a lot of subscribers right there. And there you go! Easy, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you could learn the differences and so on. So now you just need to practice it, yeah? So if you have any questions or you want to know more deeply about the uncountable and countable nouns, then let us know in the comments and I will prepare you a video just for you. If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends, also click the like button and subscribe into our channel. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye!